All right, starting up a YouTube channel. Imagine YouTube pay you 64,000 US dollars in a year. Now, I'm from Nigeria. Well, let me show you how much 64,000 US dollars is. Currently, in my country, Nigeria, $1 is almost 1.5. Let's assume it's 1.5. 64,000 times 1,500. Do the math yourself. That is over 96 million naira in just a year. Is that not a good business to start? Yes. Let me tell you my story, what motivated me to start my own YouTube channel. Last year January, I just opened first day of January. 1st of January last year, I just opened YouTube. The first thing I saw is how much YouTube paid me last year. That is, the caption of the video the person made was how much YouTube paid him last year. Now, I was motivated to watch the video. Watching the video, he was saying so many things, and then when he wanted to say the price, he now asked the cameraman, the person videoing him, do I tell them? He said, do I tell them? The guy told him, go ahead. He said 64,000 US dollars. And I punched my calculator. 64,000 US dollars times dollars at last year was around I think 500 or so. Yes, January last year, 500 or so. I said, wow, isn't this a nice business to start? It is a nice business to start. What happened? Immediately I went to market. I'm a very good mathematician. I started teaching maths from 2012. And if you go through this my channel, you see that I started with mathematics before I started teaching people this ones I'm doing now. All right, I moved to the market, bought my board, bought my marker, bought my mic, bought my tripod stand, and then these are the only thing I bought. Because I want to teach, I bought board, marker. In the next video, I'll be telling you equipment you need for YouTube. But the thing I bought was just okay, I bought just tripod stand and board, because I made research the equipment I need for YouTube. Okay, but I didn't have much money then. I had to buy just board, marker, and then tripod stand. That is how I started teaching maths on YouTube. January last year. Go and check my video. The first video I posted last year was January. That January I did over that particular day, I did more than 10 videos, maybe 5 videos. Okay, let me not exaggerate, around 5 videos. Go and check January last year, check my channel. I did more than 5 videos that day. Why? Money is a good motivator, and YouTube pays very well. I'm telling you for free, YouTube pays very well. It may not, it may look as if it may be discouraging when you start. You may be seeing low views and the rest of them, but if you go through my videos where I taught some good important settings you need to do for you to be getting nice views, then go ahead and hit up that your video, start up that your YouTube channel, and you succeed in it. I beat my chest, and believe me, you are going to succeed on that YouTube channel. Yes, because I did, you would. Like joke, I was thinking it's going to take time for me to get monetized. In 3 months, I got monetized. Criteria for monetization is just 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. It's not difficult to get. I got it. In the next video, I'll be telling you how to get that 1,000 views and 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. It is something that is very easy to do. You can get it on a snappy. So why am I making this video? I'm making this video to encourage you to start on that your YouTube channel. Okay, you may say I don't know what to do on YouTube, blah blah blah. In the next video again, I'll be showing you 10 important niches that you can venture in your YouTube. Right, 10 important. Please always stick to my channel. I'll be giving you updates on YouTube, cryptocurrency, how to make money online. Yes, aside teaching maths, I'll be teaching you how to make money online. There is money in this space. Let me tell you the last story before I shot this video. My wife, I'm a married man, my wife started a channel, a TikTok account, all right, and started growing this TikTok account. This TikTok account got to 38,000 followers. Guess what happened? Somebody chatted me up that she wants to buy a TikTok account. I said, okay, I have one for sale, because she's not really consistent again. I said, okay, let me sell it off. Now Guess how much I sold that TikTok account? I'm waiting. Your mind will be telling you 10,000, 20,000, 100,000. Wow, no. I sold it 500k. 500k. My pain that I sold this account was not even really that I sold it. The pain I had is that the person that bought it did not even price. She didn't even price. I told her 500k. She said send the account number. I say, are you serious? I was even thinking if she can price 100 or even 150, I'm ready to even sell it 100. But she said she's not, that I send account number. Like joke, she sent the money. Just like that. Is that not a good business? An account she started last year, she grew it up. So why don't you start up an account, grow it? Even if you don't want to use it, sell it and start a new one. It's very simple. It's a nice business to do. So please, I beg you, start up your YouTube channel. In the next video I'm going to be posting, I'll be telling you the areas. I've talked about the settings you need to do for it to be getting views. So the next thing I'll be talking about is the areas, the type of video you need to be making, right, for you to make that money on YouTube. There is money on YouTube. Just go and type how much YouTube paid me, how much YouTube pays. You will marvel. Look at Mark Angel, for instance. Go and check his network. Most of his money came from YouTube. Go and ask him. Most of all these content creators you are seeing, their money came from YouTube. YouTube pays. Even Facebook as well pay. TikTok pays. Any social media at all pays. All you need to do is wait patiently and grow it. Once it is grown, it's either it pays you directly or it pays you indirectly. My WhatsApp is paying me. Can you imagine? WhatsApp is paying me. And in the next video again, I'll be teaching you how to get paid on WhatsApp. So thank you very much for watching this short video. I hope you are inspired to start up your own YouTube channel. I'll be waiting on the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video. Tell me that you have started. Give me your account. I will subscribe. Yes. Tell me your link, your name. Send your link to the description. I'll subscribe to encourage you. Love you. See you in the next video.